Good morning, Saugus. I'm John Cassady, and today is Wednesday, November 5th.
And I'm Tayler Dyrstad. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Stress Awareness Day.
This day reminds us to recognize the stress in our lives and find healthy ways to cope. Stress is a natural response to challenges, but too much of it can affect our mood, health, and even school performance.
Stress affects everyone, from students to adults, and can trigger physical symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and upset stomachs. Learning stress management techniques like exercise, deep breathing, or talking with someone you trust can help keep it under control. Recognizing stress early is the first step to handling it in a healthy way.
So today, Saugus, take a moment to check in with yourself and your friends. Remember, it's okay to pause and breathe and reset. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Make sure to be considerate of Saugus's neighbors and community on your way to and from school. Do not walk through people's yards, touch people's property, or move trash cans to park.
Seniors, you can now submit photos and videos to this year's 2026 Senior Slideshow. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit from any point throughout your childhood and high school life, including Halloween or any student section pictures. Pictures or videos can be submitted to our email or the SNN Instagram listed below.
The PAD Project Drive will be accepting donations of menstrual products until November 21st. Each donation is worth 1 service hour. Item drop-off is in the library during school hours. Now, let's go to Jeremy Carr with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, John. Good morning. I'm Jeremy Carr with today's Saugus Sports Update. Boys tennis tryouts will be next Wednesday, November 12th at 3 o'clock on the Saugus tennis courts. Remember to bring your tennis racket, athletic shoes, and water. The first ever intramural turkey bowl will begin on the football field Friday at lunch. Teams will consist of 4 players, and there will be a division for both boys and girls. Sign-up sheets are in the ASB office. Prizes will be awarded to the winning teams. If you have not officially signed up, show up to the field with your team and you will be entered into the tournament. That's all for me. Now let's go to Megan Artisa Chat with another edition of Cooking with SNN, rigatoni pasta.
And for today's Cooking With segment, we asked ChatGPT to make a recipe using a starch, a protein, and a vegetable. And ChatGPT gave us a beef rigatoni vegetable skillet.
You will need 1 pound of lean ground beef, a 16-ounce box of pasta, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 medium zucchinis, 2 cups of fresh spinach, pasta sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes, salt and black pepper to taste, and half a cup of grated Parmesan. For garnish, you will need basil. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add ground beef, season lightly with salt and pepper, and cook until brown. Then you will need to cut up your vegetables. Cut up your zucchinis, your onions, spinach, And last but not least, basil. Cook the pasta according to the package directions. Add olive oil. Cook onions and garlics for 2 minutes. Add your zucchini and saute until tender crisp. Stir the spinach until just wilted. Add the beef back into the skillet. Stir jars of pasta sauce. Add chili powder, smoked paprika, and red pepper flakes. Add the drained pasta directly into the sauce. Toss well until pasta is evenly coated. This recipe was delicious and simple. Garnish with Parmesan if desired, plus fresh basil for brightness.
This has been Megan reporting for SNN.
The football Turkey Bowl tournament will be on Friday, not today. And thanks, Megan. Wow, that looked delicious. We're going to be set for Thanksgiving.
Reach will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. All presentations will take place in room Q1715 during first and second period. Any junior or senior interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein in room Q1715. This next speaker will be next Monday, November 10th, from University of California, Riverside.
The Martin Luther King Jr. Unity Walk Essay Contest will be accepting submission through December 1st. To enter, you must write a 1,000-word essay on how nonviolent actions can heal a divided nation. For more information on how to submit, scan the QR code above.
Saugus High School is more than just a place to learn. It's our fortress, our community, our second home. As Centurions, we embody strength, pride, and discipline. Leaving trash on the ground does not reflect the standard we set for ourselves. Littering isn't just ugly, it's disrespectful to our hardworking custodians.
Life's hard enough without having to make lunch. Let's go to a message from Jersey Mike's with more.
How much longer till lunch? Over an hour? I can't make it that long.
Where is this pulling me? I'm being pulled to Jersey Mike's.
Jersey Mike's is hosting the student meal deal again this year. You can get the mini size meal deal that includes chips and a 22-ounce drink for $9.95. Or you can get the regular size meal deal, also with chips and a 22-ounce drink for $11.95. Make sure to bring your ID to participate in the meal deal Monday through Friday. The meal deal is available at all locations in Santa Clarita, so what are you waiting for?
Jersey Mike's, flavors that pull you in one strand at a time.
Remember to bring your ID Monday through Friday to participate in the meal deal. That's all for me. I'm John Cassady. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Tayler Dyrstad. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.